Hello everyone, this is AI Digital with a brand new topic, Oppo Find X6 Pro. With 3 cameras, ultra-wide 50 megapixel with 1-inch sensor, periscope 50 megapixel telephoto camera, ultra-wide 50 megapixel macro mode camera. Connect with reliability with 16 GB RAM, 512 GB storage, 5000 mAh battery, 6.84 inches 2K display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2V octa-core processor. Let's have a phone tour. The Oppo Find X6 Pro is an excellent phone with the best camera experiences you can ever seen on Android phone. With great bright display, solid performances and quick charging with a great battery life. You can charge it within an hour and use for a whole day. Sleek and slim body design, very elegant and very smartly used. The triple 50 megapixel camera is one of the best camera system on Android phone yet, with 1-inch main sensor across all modes, with 3 beautiful colors of your choice. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.